So you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026, and it seems like this daunting challenge in front of you. Well, starting a YouTube channel is easy. And if you have been overthinking how to start a YouTube channel in 2026, this video will save you months of confusion. And I pledge to tell you nothing but the absolute truth. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Fredilia, and I inspire women and men to live with faith, grow with confidence, and step boldly into their God-sized dreams. And today, I'll be breaking down the simple, easy beginner guide to starting a YouTube channel in 2026. Many gurus will tell you to start a YouTube channel, you need a mic, you need a smartphone, you need a niche. But they forget to tell you something that is much more important than those gadgets, something that can only be found inside of you. The first thing you need to start a YouTube channel in 2026 is willpower. Willpower means determination, drive, doggedness, tenacity, staying power. The moment you say to yourself, I am tired of sitting on my gifts, the moment you say to yourself, I want to show up for myself and for God, that is your willpower. Listen, starting a YouTube channel is easy. It is staying that is the grind. You don't want to start now and give up after a few weeks of posting. You want to start and stay for the long haul, because that is the only time you can enjoy the benefits of YouTube. YouTube is a place of hard work, a space of multiple opportunities for growth and revenue, only if you work hard. Your passion may not immediately translate into views, so you need willpower to stay during the dry season. You definitely need willpower. The second thing you need to start a YouTube channel in 2026 is purpose, your why, your big why. Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Why do you really want this? Who do you want to help? What problem do you want to solve? What message do you want to share? What did God put in your heart that you feel you want to share? Knowing this will give you a sense of direction and perspective. Is it a hobby you want to explore? Do you want to grow your YouTube as a business or a personal brand? Is it just a side business, or do you want it to become one of your major sources of income or the source of income? Purpose will decide how seriously you take your channel, and it will also help you shape what form of content you would like to post. Long form, short form, motivational, lifestyle, vlogs, or faith-based. Your purpose is really important. Your purpose, your why, is the reason why you will stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. And trust me, there are days when you would not feel like posting or creating, and then your purpose will be your fuel. Once you are clear on your purpose, every other thing will make sense. And the third thing you need to start your YouTube channel in 2026 is a plan. A plan here is an umbrella word for everything you need to get your YouTube channel rolling, and for the things that will give your YouTube channel a structure. Your content calendar, your video topics, your channel name, your channel description, which you put on your about page, your channel tags. You need a plan so you don't get lost in trends, overwhelmed by pressure, or threatened by competition. Don't wait until you have a 5-year plan before you start. Please don't. Don't plan to perfection. Please don't. As a new YouTuber or new creator, you would learn new things about yourself as you go and grow on YouTube. So plan for a short period, maybe 2 months worth of content, but don't plan for too long. Don't make the mistake I made. I posted my first video 11 months after creating my channel. Why? I was over planning, trying to plan to perfection. So since you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026, start planning now and plan for a short period. You don't want to start planning, then post your first video in 2027. And the fourth thing, or the fourth group of things you need to start your YouTube channel in 2026 are your gadgets. So, the simplest and easy setup you need as a new creator or a new YouTuber. First, your smartphone or a camera if you have one, but smartphone will do. We all have smartphones, so I'm not going to flog it. But when you're using your smartphone to record, use the back lens. Don't use the front selfie camera because the back lens has better quality. Then also, before you start recording, clean the lens rather, because they could have smudge on it. You want your videos to be clear. Two, you need a mic if you can afford it. If you can't, just try to increase your voice when you're shooting your video and stay in a quiet environment so your voice can come out better. But if you can't afford it, just go for a cheap mic that would help project your voice better. The third thing is a tripod if you also can afford it. If you can't, you can stack books and rest your phone on it so it has a balance and it stays in the position you want it to be. I've used a stack of books before, so people have used it in the past. It's possible. If you don't have a tripod, it doesn't mean you can't shoot your video. Please don't give yourself any excuse not to start in 2026 if that is your goal. Then you need lights. Natural light, beautiful when the weather is good. If you're opportune to sit in front of a window to shoot a video when the weather is great, natural light is very good. But if you do not have natural light, you could use the lights within your space. And when you have the funds and you think it is necessary, then you can purchase ring lights or other forms of lights. When it comes to gadgets, don't go for anything expensive at the start of your YouTube journey. If you start planning to purchase high-tech equipment, most times you might not even use them. You might find out in the course of recording your videos that they were not necessary. So start with what you have within you, the message you want to share, the value you have to offer. That is more important than gadgets. Start with your natural light, with your stack of books if you don't have a tripod. Start with your natural voice if you don't have a mic. And when you have the money to purchase them bit by bit. Don't go broke because you're trying to start a YouTube channel. By the time you start and you progress, you would master yourself, master the art of your own YouTube, because everybody's journey is different. Then you will know the most important gadgets that you need and you can buy wisely. Did you guys notice that I didn't mention confidence? I know what stops many people, which stopped me too, from starting their YouTube channel is confidence. And I didn't mention confidence when mentioning my steps. Why? Confidence most times comes after you've done that thing you are scared of. You can't keep waiting to be confident before you act. Your willpower, which was my first point, is what you need to start. That drive, that thing that will push you out of your comfort zone. That's, no, I'm not going to sit down and do nothing and watch others do it. That feeling is your willpower. That is what will push you to hit record. Your purpose will push you. Who do I want to become? Why do I want to start a channel? What message do I have to share? The message is within you and you're holding it to yourself, but you know you need to let out your voice. That is what will push you to hit record. And when you do that which you are scared of, then you will see your confidence rising. So if speaking in front of a camera is what scares you, if you feel you don't have the confidence to sit down, face your camera and speak, you have to do it. Look at your why. Why do you need to start? Why have you delayed? What has been stopping you? And if lack of confidence has been stopping you, do you think it will stop you if you don't pick up your phone and just do it afraid? You need to do it afraid. And I promise you, when you shoot your first video, even if you don't post it, you will see your confidence rising. Now, let me share a story, a personal story. My first few videos were not talking heads. They were voiceovers. I matched up pictures, some videos. I did videos where I wasn't looking at the camera or just even fiddling around or doing stuff in the house, and I did voiceovers over them. I was not confident enough to speak in front of the camera. But what changed? It was one day I said, no, what are you doing? I looked at my plan. I remembered my purpose. Part of the plan was talking head videos, so I knew I had to do it. I knew I was tired of saying I will and postponing. Remember, I said I started my YouTube channel but posted my first video after 11 months. I was over planning, trying to be perfect. No, then I told myself, no, I had to do it. So the day I picked my camera to record, I was afraid. I did it afraid. I wasn't confident. But after recording, after posting, I felt my confidence rising. And since the first time I did my talking head video, I've not stopped. I've been doing talking head and it gets easier with each trial. So what am I trying to tell you? Do it afraid. Tell yourself you can do it and just do it. Even if you're shaking on the inside, it's not going to reflect on the video. No one can see your inside or see you trembling. Speak. And if you hate the video, record it again. But make sure you post one and try to do it quick because your plan is to start a YouTube channel in 2026. So start now. If you feel you're destined for more, if you feel your voice matters, if you feel there is something inside of you that has refused to die, if you feel that God has placed something inside of you that you want to share with the world, start your YouTube channel. Don't waste any more time. Plant the seed and let God breathe on it. And I promise you, your future self will thank you. So tell me, what step did you find most helpful today? Please drop in the comments and I reply to every comment. And if this video encouraged you, please hit the thumbs up button to help this video reach more people. And kindly subscribe to my channel. I appreciate every show of love. And until next time, keep believing, keep growing, and keep dreaming with God. Bye.